Rory McIlroy takes aim at PGA for decision on upcoming major originally appeared on Athlon Sports. Sometimes, golfers don't need a driver to make headlines. Sometimes all it takes is a microphone, and Rory McIlroy grabbed his chance this week. The four-time major winner didn't hold back when asked about future PGA championship venues. Speaking ahead of the Genesis Scottish Open, McIlroy took a playful jab at Frisco, Texas, where the PGA is set to return. "I'd love to win an Open at Portrush. I'd love to win an Open at St. Andrews. I'd love to win a U.S. Open at Pebble Beach. I'd love to win a PGA Frisco." "Not, but no," McIlroy said, pausing with a grin before adding, "Frisco might get there one day. Who knows?" It's the kind of honesty fans expect from Rory. He knows what courses stir the soul. Pebble Beach and St. Andrews carry history. Frisco, still trying to build its story. His comment was less a personal attack and more a reminder that tradition still matters in golf. McIlroy has spent the past few weeks recharging after a draining run since his Masters triumph. He took time off following a sixth-place finish at the Travelers' Championship. Now, with the Scottish Open and the Open Championship ahead, he's sharpening his focus. "The last couple of weeks I felt like I could detach a little bit more and sort of hide in a way," he said. He found that clarity in Wentworth away from the PGA Tour grind, but don't mistake this for distraction. McIlroy loves competing in Scotland. He won at the Renaissance Club in 2023 and returns, hoping to build on that form before chasing another claret jug at Royal Portrush. For now, his message is quite clear: history matters. And for Rory, some venues just hit differently. Frisco, take notes.